was steady this past week for the most part as news of mortgage interest rate reductions spread. It's Friday, September 27th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Somerset, Talbot, and Kent counties remained slow while Cecil County outpaced other counties, seeing a mild increase to moderate buyer activity. Inventory rose again this report, 3.7% to 1,772 homes for sale, with 131 properties due on the market soon. New contracts fell 7.5% since last report to 160, with 34% of those reducing their sales price before going under contract. 119 homes sold in 29 days at 97.1% list-to-sold ratio, with 40 of those selling having to adjust their sales prices downwards before receiving a contract. 114 homes for lease remain consistent again this week at $2,000 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 27th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.